Hyundai is all set for launching their 10 electric cars in the US market by the end of 2022. 1 second, before we start the video, kindly subscribe to this channel. That will motivate us to make more videos like this. Your support is very important for us. Only, you can help us to reach the next milestone. Now, let's get started. Hyundai's electric car entry might be a threat to Tesla, the leading electric manufacturing company in the US. Hyundai intends to introduce their 2 EVs and 1 hybrid car in the US market in 2021. Electrified Hyundai Vehicle might open an upcoming challenge to Tesla. Hyundai confirms $7.50 billion investment for the manufacturing of EVs in the US by 2025. Hyundai set up to start manufacturing their green vehicles in the country by next year. The company decided to produce 7 SUVs and 3 cars for their customers as a symbol of #ProgressForHumanity. Upcoming models might be Kona Electric, Santa Fe plug-in hybrid, and Ioniq 5 electric SUV. Kona and Santa Fe will be launching within a few months, and Ioniq 5 EV will arrive in the market by the end of this year. Various automakers are trying to make electric vehicle production in the US market. Hyundai comes with their green vehicles this year. Majority of them are likely to be electric cars. Tesla might face a sweet challenge from its Korean counterpart. The US is considered the significant market for the electric vehicles industry. Hyundai focused on fundamental market growth in this segment. Kona, Nexo HFCV, Ioniq along with various hybrid and plug-in hybrid models are now available in the US market. Which is your favorite electric car? Let me know this by commenting below. I would love to see them. I can go through your comments and share my feedback. Thanks for watching this video completely. Kindly subscribe to this channel and hit the like button. Thanks again, have a great day.